promised.
I know, but work was very busy today.
Let us go. We all need this time together.
Okay, let's go to a restaurant.
Yay! I want pizza!
It feels good to go out together.
Yes, we don't do this often. Sorry, sir. There is a long wait today.
I am tired.
Let's play a game while we wait.
I spy something red.
The menu! The chair!
This is better than any food.
This pizza is amazing! I love this place!
We should do this more often.
Yes, family time is important. Today was a good day.